about how can you in a private profile on your Threads app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here in this sign down here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this in here in your profile. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on privacy here, you click on it here. You come to next step here, come here to private profile. Just click in this sign. So then you click here on OK. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here private profile enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.